Distance. You took away the one I loved. The only heart I owned. The only oasis of happiness. It was just a simple visit. Henceforth, vanished into then. All hopes melted into the sea. All I possess is a heart in pieces, just owing to you, distance. Distance. Who are you? Are you a man? Are you a man? Do we share the same women? I'll be silent on you. But why do you always hunt me down? You're taking away everything I get. Even Jessica? My Jessica? Who never sickened me at any moment, only to fatten my sentiments. She amended all the broken pieces, collected together all the tainted veins, but still, my greatest enemy popped in. She always said, I'll be back till now. Soon is not yet. Just because of your distance. Even the third one. Dubai has just swallowed her. I'm just here lonely. Now to you, who is not yet a victim, keep a zero distance to her. I say tight marking, as in tight marking forever before the greatest enemy knocks at your doors.